when North Korea invaded the South, pushing the Allied forces into a tiny sliver of territory, the Pusan perimeter. It seemed like the war could be lost.
It's the story of a night in 1945 when General Dwight Eisenhower was walking along the banks of the Rhine River, thinking of the crossing in which he would lead the Allied armies.
What is most important for us is to make sure that there are no second category member states of NATO, that there are no countries about whom an external country, a third country like Russia, can say whether or not American or other allied troops can be deployed to these countries.
In Allied ships patrolling the Black Sea, and we must reaffirm the principle that has always guided our alliance. For countries that meet our standards and that can make meaningful contributions to Allied security, the door to NATO membership will remain open.
Regarding European security, as we head into the NATO summit in Warsaw, I'm pleased that Denmark and Norway will be joining the United States and contributing to an enhanced Allied forward presence to bolster our collective defense in Europe.